As the weather gets nicer, this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon would be a nice vehicle to have. It's got a 3.6 liter V6 engine and it's a 4-wheel drive. It also has black interior with seating for 4, and the exterior is a granite metallic. It also has a GPS navigation system and the 4-to-1 rock track heavy duty part-time 4-wheel drive system. It also has satellite radio as well as a CD. It's really easy to take this vehicle out for a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. And stay tuned, we're gonna have a look inside. You've got that little bit of mesh to put items in the door, and you've also got your power locks. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and they've put seat covers on here with the Jeep logo, which is a good idea, keeps everything nice and clean. And you've also got your sway bar and axle lock. The steering wheel can tilt. And on the face of it is your hands-free dialing, your menu, as well as your cruise control. We're just going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see the important messages and your odometer reading. Just have to have my foot on the clutch here. There you go. So in the menu, you're going to see it on the left-hand side as you toggle through for different options in the menu and choose the different things that you want. In the center, there's a little bit of a cubby, and you have a CD player hidden behind here. You just pop that in and then just push that again. You also have AM, FM, and Sirius satellite radio, and your controls are on the side there. Your auxiliary line in, and this is the power windows. Down below is your fan, your AC, as well as your front and rear defrost. And then you have the controls for the mirror, the traction control, hazard lights, plug-in, 12 volt. There's your 4x4. Manual shifter, and you have your emergency parking brake right beside you. A couple of cup holders, your armrest locks, and you have 2 tiers. There's a shallow one, you can throw your phone in there or whatever else you want. And then you have the deep one, and you have a 12 volt and a USB, lots of room in there. A handle off to the side in your glove compartment that's locking, and then auto dimming rear view mirror, and you also have the hard top here, which is kind of nice. 17-inch wheels. Black door handle and side view mirror. You've got your fuel cap, and in the back you've got a spare tire attached, and you've got tow hooks there as well as a hitch. Now we're going to open it up. You can unlock it, and I've already done that, so we're just going to swing this right open, and then you pop up the glass, and it's got a windshield wiper, by the way, up there. And then in the back you've got this seat. So when you pull this up and then flip it down, and it pops right out of the way. So this gives you lots of room. This also comes with a tonneau cover. I've just taken it out just so visually you can see what's going on here with the seat. And then you just bring it back down, easy enough. It's not that heavy. And then pull the handle up and it clicks into place. And there you go. Bring down your glass and close your swing gate, and you're ready to head out. And then just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. I love heading out and bringing the family or friends along. So even though this has got 2 doors, you can still get in the back easily enough. You just bring the front seat forward, just sliding it ahead, and you now have room for 2 more people to come along. And these have the 3-point seat belts. This seat also folds flat and then flips right up to give you more cargo room. Flip up glass, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. And if you like this video and would like to see more, we have a ton of them. So check it out, please subscribe. We love that you're watching.